know about you guys, but I love that warm, fuzzy feeling of my home being cozy during the fall season. Not only does it feel inviting, but safe. And I'm going to show you how to create that vibe. I'm going to refresh my home. I'm going to decorate it. And I'm going to show you 4 easy DIYs that you can do yourself to make your home nice and cozy. So gather around the fire and let's get creative. Y'all, so here is the living room. TV area. I don't even know what you call this, but I guess storage seating area, I guess. I don't know. Another seating area. And then these are the couches. Just been really busy and haven't been really able to thoroughly clean, but that's all right. That's what I'm doing today. There we go. And then this is the dining room. Got some doormats. Got this pumpkin set. Don't worry, I'll show everything in more depth, but I got this pumpkin set from Sam's Club. And here are some more decor items that I got from IKEA, Burlington, Dollar Tree. I'll show all of it, but here's just a quick overview of all the decorations that are going in here and in here. I did do a massive, and I mean a huge fall decor haul video. The link is in the bio if you guys haven't checked it out. But I went to the Dollar Tree, IKEA, Target, Sam's Club, and Burlington Outlet. I got a ton of fall decor, and now I'm gonna show you how to use it. Make sure you check that video out. But before I get the decorating, I gotta clean. Start cleaning everything up, putting everything away. This box will go upstairs. These shoes will, most of them are mine, of course, and they'll go upstairs. This is a shoe rack. It'll stay here. May go in the closet, but I kind of like it here. And then I'm going to tidy up the couches, vacuum, you know, all that jazz to make everything nice and pretty. So I have some of these games right here. I love to use these storage baskets from IKEA. They are so convenient, and they also match the table and basically the overall aesthetic of this room. But I like to put the games in here, and I also have some blankets over here as well. I like to use them as storage to store the blankets if they're not thrown on the couch. But this was during the summer. I was really using these to put the games in and also to store the blankets because we weren't really using the blankets during the summer. But I think I may have the blankets out a little bit more since it is going to be winter time. It's going to be chilly. But yeah, I love these. These are so convenient, and it just goes so well with the room. And I love them so much with this table. Keep this moment in your head because this is my living room before. And then later on, I'll show you after. But first, let's tidy up. To keep my sofa nice and comfortable all year round, I fluff up my cushion covers and cushions. That's what I'm doing right here. I am fluffing up my cushions. I am shaking it one side, turning it, shaking it one side, turning it until I fluffed up the entire pillow. Now I'm moving on to the cushions. Now ignore this one. This one in the middle has stuffing coming out. Just haven't fixed it yet. I'm getting around to that. But for some reason the zipper messed up, but I am pushing down, turning it, flipping it over, pushing down, flipping it, and that is how I floof up my cushions. Like I said, I do this once a week to keep it nice and comfortable all year round. While I'm at it, I might as well take the cushion covers off, throw them in the wash, and then put them away and use them for next season. When I vacuum my sofa, I use the hose to get all the little bits, but also I take the whole thing, yes, the whole thing, and I vacuum my bottom of the couch with it. It is so much easier just to get all those bits and pieces, just doing that instead of taking the little hose and trying to get all the corners. And no, that's too much work. Work smarter, not harder. Do you guys do this too? Comment down below if you take your entire vacuum and you literally vacuum your sofa, because I know I'm not the only one. Don't forget your armrests. A lot of people forget about the armrest. That's where the arm is always at. That's where your cat is at. That's where everybody puts their phone at. And it can get a little dirty and a little neglected. So don't forget to vacuum that as well. Once I'm done vacuuming all of that, I take my cushion covers, put them back, and then I start the floor. I'm finally done cleaning, and now it's time to finally decorate the house. So this area is coming nicely together. I put a doormat underneath the shoe rack, so if there's any dirt or anything's wet, it can all be collected on the doormat and not on the floor. And then also I took this basket, I put it here so if I have my keys or I have mail or anything that I bring in, I can easily just put it in the basket and it has a place to go. Because I believe with design, everything has a place. So I'm gonna make it functional and make it fun if possible. I'm also going to try to put some other kind of decoration over there, maybe a pumpkin or something next to it, because I believe the shoe rack is also to put shoes on top, but also the shoe rack is so you can sit on it and put your shoes on. So I may not put too much on this, but it looks pretty good just as it is. Now this area above it definitely needs something. Maybe I'll do 3 picture frames with art on it. But this wall is definitely empty and I definitely need to fill it. Comment below you guys suggestions about what I should do with this wall. Make sure it is renters friendly. I'm not trying to put any holes in the wall. These are cement or I think concrete walls. So I'm not trying to put any holes in the walls, but at least something that I can hang. I can hang pictures, maybe a picture ledge, not really sure. But let me know in the comments below, what do you think I should do with this wall? Cushion cover time, my favorite time. So I got this one as a gift from my brother from Amazon, and the rest of the cushion covers I got from IKEA. The color scheme I'm going for is oranges, grays, and light blues. I just like the calmness of it. I was debating to even have orange because I didn't want it to be very folly, but the orange gave a lot of pop of color into the room that I needed. And yes, I know you can't do fall without orange, but yeah, I just want to do something different besides the generic orange that everybody goes with. Time to fluff these up again. Fluff, turn, fluff, turn, fluff, turn, fluff, turn, fluff, turn, fluff, turn. When it comes to decorating, it's trial and error. So I had a little bit of difficulty trying to figure out what colors I wanted to use on the sofa, how I wanted to have the colors arranged, the pillowcases arranged, the pillows arranged. And I had to experiment. I was doing a lot of experimentation in general with decorating. So I did not film every single step because I was really like going back and forth. But I am going to show you a few DIYs that I did and a little bit of the decorating I did as well. Same thing with the wall art. I couldn't decide which one to use because I felt like one stuck out more than I wanted to, or it just wasn't cohesive with the room. But I decided to go with this one, and it was a good pick because it looks really good with the orange cushion covers. A clean home feels welcoming, so I make sure I put a doormat near the door, and then also a very festive wreath. I got this from Burlington Outlet, and then I took these pumpkin pins from the Dollar Tree and I decorated the wreath with it. Doesn't it look so cute? It adds little hints of light blue, and then I hung it on my door. The outside of my home is just as important as the inside of my home. So I got rid of this raggedy mat and replaced it with this one from Lidl. Earlier in the video, I did mention I'm going to show you guys 4 DIYs. I'm actually going to show you 5, a bonus one, but 5 DIYs that I did with Target and the Dollar Tree. The links are in the bio if you want to see those DIYs. They are YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels. They're quick and easy and very, very affordable. Everything is under $15 or $10. This DIY is easy as well. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to film it because I forgot to, but the vase is from Target, the palm leaf is from Target, and the rest of the floral arrangements are from the Dollar Tree. Once again, most of the items mentioned in this video were mentioned in my huge fall decor haul, including this one. This is a 3-piece pumpkin set. It is flocked, aka that is another word for peach fuzz. It's very soft, very textured. I'm going to quickly show you what it looks like, and I also did a reel and a YouTube short on this as well. Now that the house is cleaned and decorated, it's time for the grand reveal. That concludes my house tour. I hope you guys enjoyed cleaning with me, decorating with me, and me showing my cozy woozy home. If you enjoy content like this, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and also if you want to see videos very similar to this one, make sure you hit that bell notification at the bottom to be notified when new videos like this come out. All right? Thanks for watching once again, and see you next time. Bye.